If you've ever wanted Microsoft Word to check your writing in a different way, whether that means making your grammar feedback more strict, more relaxed, or just better suited to the kind of document you're working on, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to change the writing style in Word step by step, so you can control how Word corrects spelling and grammar while you write. This is a simple setting, but it can make a big difference if you write reports, emails, essays, or any other kind of document in Word. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer and make sure you're on the main screen. From there, look up to the top left corner and click File. This opens the Backstage menu where you can access the main settings for Word. Next, scroll down and click Options. This opens the Word Options window, which is where you can customize how Word behaves. In the Options panel, look for Proofing on the left-hand side and click it. Proofing is the section that controls spelling, grammar, and editing settings, so this is exactly where you need to be. Now, in the section labeled When Correcting Spelling and Grammar in Word, look for the Writing Style drop-down menu. Click that drop-down and you'll see the available writing style options. Depending on your version of Word, you may see choices like Grammar Only or Grammar and Refinements. Select the writing style that best fits what you want Word to check. If you want Word to focus on basic grammar, choose the simpler option. If you want more detailed writing suggestions, choose the more advanced style. After selecting your preferred writing style, take a moment to review any other proofing settings on the page, just to make sure everything is set the way you want it. Then click OK at the bottom of the window to save your changes. Once you do that, Word will start using the new writing style for future spelling and grammar checks. To test it out, go back to your document and start typing a sentence. You should now see Word respond according to the writing style you selected. If the suggestions still don't look right, you can always go back into File, Options, and Proofing to adjust it again. That's the nice thing about this setting. It's easy to change whenever your writing needs change, so now you know exactly how to change the writing style in Word in just a few clicks. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.